Hey, hey, welcome to another video, guys. So, this is another video for C programming language. So, in this video, we are going to discuss another question of this series. The question will be how to add two matrices using C language. So, as of always, as I said, I will be using the Turbo C for this project also because actually this is not any high tech program. This is only for the students who are just beginners because I am also a beginner. So I will try my level best to indulge and tell you guys what this program is about, and you will be I will be very more happy to tell you all guys what is this. So let us start coding this question for the fact. So as always, we have to provide the libraries for any program in C language, stdio.h, and the second library will be conio.h. Oh, sorry, I unknowingly stepped on the caps lock. Uh, Now it's okay. So let's start again. Conio.h. Okay. So after providing these both, we have to start our function from the main function, which is a user-defined function. I don't know, guys. My hands are a little bit shaky right now. That's why they are again and again clicking on the caps lock button. I guess it's okay. So always remember that the program starts from the main function. Even if you guys don't have any program in your, any function in your program, main function is necessary to execute the program because it's where the compiler starts compiling the all the functions from. And so we are adding two arrays. So obviously we have to have two arrays, and actually it's a matrix. So we are going for a what to say two-dimensional array. I guess 3 out of 3 matrix is at most what we will need. And let's start with B. Second matrix I'm naming as B. It's a little bit fun, right? So okay. So we need a I, we need a J, and we need sum, which will be equal to 0. I guess we need n. Yeah, we need n. So that's all we need, I guess. If we need anything else, we can definitely come back again to check it. That's not any problem. So okay, let's just add clear screen. This clear screen is also a function which is used to clear the screen after we execute the program. So always remember to put clear screen after initialization because otherwise it will show some error. Yeah. So now first we are going to ask the user to enter the size of matrix. Okay. So we are asking the user to enter the size. What is size if you ask me? The size will be rows and columns. So actually we need columns too. Percentage D is a specifier for what data type specifier. So I'm taking n, which is row, and I'm taking m, which is column. We need m. Yeah. As I said, it's okay if you don't know how many variables you will need in the first time. You can always come back and just put it again. Now, after entering the rows and columns, we will ask the user to enter the elements. Enter the elements of first array. That's pretty unique, isn't it? Okay, that's not. I was just joking. Uh, so I know my jokes are really bad, but you have to tolerate me because that's all you can do. So guys, always remember because this is pretty basic class, so I'm taking all the time I have. I think it's okay for you. After putting printf, what this printf statement does, this will print whatever thing is between these semicolons, these both semicolon, whatever in between. Even if it's a blank space, it will print it. It will print it as it is. This slash, and there are some other keyboard shortcuts which you can use. This as uh, backslash n. This is read as a new line operator by the compiler. So this slash n will not be printed, but it will be executed because this will be replaced with a new line in the compile time. So scanf. So we are going to add again. No, what we are doing? We are doing okay. So we are going to do scanf. So now we have to put our first array I j. Now listen, but actually after printing first array elements, we have to do a loop, because otherwise if we don't want to do a loop, we have to print or write these statements as many time as we have elements. But what we do to save our time, we write loops. As it's a matrix or say a two-dimensional array, we have to write two loops for that. Okay, I will be starting for 0, will be going up to n, I plus plus. For loop j will be starting from 0 and will be going up to m and j plus plus. The second thing you need to notice is what to say, for adding two matrices, the rows and columns should be same. So we don't need to ask again the user what will be the rows and column for the second matrix. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to again paste it. So this is, so there are two loops. First loop is for the first array or the first matrix or the two-dimensional matrix, I mean two-dimensional array. Now I'm going to enter second matrix element. Okay, so after this statement the user will be showing up the second matrix. So after this step here, we have both the matrices in our hand. Now user do not need to enter anything else. Now all we need to do is add them. So how will we add them? We just need to form this loop again. That's how we will do it. Okay, so I'm going to paste this here. Now I'm going to write a statement. Wait, I did something wrong here. I need to write the B matrix. Okay, so we are storing it in a C matrix of Ij is equal to AR of Ij plus B of Ij. So as you can see, we need another array which is C array of 3 3. Okay, so as you can see we have um, what to say, yeah, so we do not need some. So we do not need some in this, guys. Yes, I'm really sorry for that. Hmm. So after this step, we have a C matrix in which we have stored all these, some of these two matrices. Now all we need to do is print that C, nothing else. This is so easy, but as you can see, I'm not any pro or anything, because it's been only some months that I'm learning this language. But I want you to understand the language how is it is. Like, this is something pretty basic, but you need to process it by yourself. You need to know how languages work for this. Okay, so this getch function is here for stopping the screen at the right moment. So after adding this okay, there are four loops in this. First loop, this one. This loop is for the first element entries. This loop is for the second element entry. This loop is for the addition of those metrics and saving it in C. And this loop is for printing the addition. So before printing, we have to provide something. Printf the added matrix is, yeah. Actually, guys, whatever in the loop will be executed again and again. You need to understand that. So you cannot put this statement inside the loop, because if you put it inside the loop, it will be printed as many times as of this loop will be going on for. So that is how we do it. So this is a whole program. Now we are going to save this program. Yeah, matrix, matrix. Uh, some sime, okay, whatever, dot c. Now I'm going to compile this. There are two errors. What's that mean? Okay, void main. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to put. Okay, now it's compiled. So I'm going to write the uh, I will write 2 by 2 matrix for each here. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay guys, so this is the matrix sum. As I said, any gap, any space you write in the program will be as usual. So if I write gaps and if I run the program again, now you can see the metrics clearly. Now you can see the metrics clearly, as you can see. And if you want to write it in two different columns or rows, you can definitely try this. First write this loop and close this loop. Printf slash n, close this loop again. I think you didn't understand what I did. Let me just clarify. Okay, this is what I did. I actually formed two for loops. As you know, what happens here is the outer side loop is for the columns. So when the column change, new column comes, it will print slash n. That's how it works. There are two methods how the memory is stored: row measure and column measure. So that's how. Let me just run this program. Oh, I'm really sorry for that. Yeah. So as you can see, the matrix is printed in two different columns, as I mentioned. Okay. Thank you guys for the video, not the video, for watching my video. Yes, I'm really grateful. See you again in the next video. Bye.